Nirmala Kenyam Biakamal Ka Nuer Online TV channel. And a manduni shang kwasnyam lenon rasnu gwasama. And shang and yan kapai kel rankin dangro jandangro de ditch. Ban rach katin kon tinlat karodian. Kenam der la nirmala kanediala kon lingarwana gwasama. Reporten bananywa kel. Ban rach kakwir Rebecca Nyandeng. Rebecca Nyandeng Jalada Chiji Togre which Kajuba Ladan Jato Guazan Benua Yakel. So Alangu Kiangumi Michatok Chiramadong de Conling. Rebecca Nyandeng Jodana Charlotte. Okay, Kenya Manajan or Jenna Vice President, right? A Vice President. But Lada Akamentum right now, Ladadan and the Lada Dr. Machar. No. Jeremy Corner Jen Pywero Pyo Koronkin Dangro Jandangro de Ditch Cha Nyandeng she Dr. John Geren Mabur Chaja Kwanya Laramimo Alak Chaja Kwanya Council Minister and Jen Berul Kia be interim basis La Kur Dr. Machar Bajakan Ko Betin Kona Dong de Lat Shit Kaledi Ale Conte te Pin Dr. Machar la let nying reply peace agreement e konde cha time. Antama cha jako belade mo beje tok. Shit mangai kona la letin be Nyandeng la try now mu kon right ki kwide me ki report dana cha no. Den kalete konde ngai kona le Dr. Machar ke chit ko la reform take ke Dr. Machar when ka kan tetene te chal ke constitution making when ka security arrangement when ka preparation of national election kan dia te kada gwaza ngori na ba man chala kwid be ko en ka to English ko biya te ka ngiten chala do nena South Sudan Vice President Vice President for Gender and Youth Cluster Rebecca Nyandeng the Mabur. She has temporarily assumed the role of Vice President for Governance Cluster following the detention and suspension of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar Tendurgon. Well, in December 2025, the Council of Ministers endorsed Nyandeng. They endorsed Nyandeng to take over the role on an interim basis, a decision that has reignited debate over power sharing arrangement under the peace or the 2018 reply peace agreement that was signed by both the leader Dr. Riek Machar and President Salva Kiir Mayardit. According to the report, the decision was reached during an extraordinary cabinet meeting chaired by President Salva Kiir Mayardit, as the government thought to fill the leadership vacuum created by Dr. Riek Machar absent while he faces an ongoing criminal trial. Well, as a part of her new responsibility, Nyandeng held a meeting with the Minister of Cabinet Affairs, Mr. Martinelli Alumoro, to discuss operational arrangement within the governance cluster. Well, according to the statement from the Vice President Press Unit that was issued on Thursday, the discussion focused on coordination mechanism, ongoing administrative process, key policy instrument under review, and broader governance and public administration matter affecting the South Sudan as a country. The engagement underscored the importance of clear decision-making, effective coordination, and collaboration among government institutions to advance national priorities and improve service delivery to the people of South Sudan. Rebecca Nyandeng reaffirmed her commitment to working in good faith promoting cooperation, and ensuring continuity in government responsibilities during the transitional period. Dr. Machar, who also lead the Sudan People Liberation Army in a position as PLMIO, has been suspended from his duties as the first vice president while standing trial on charge including murder, treason, and crime against humanity related to the March 2025 Nasser Garrison incident. The case has so far gone through at least 36 court sessions. His suspension has generated political sensitivity within the country. As the revitalized agreement on the resolution of the conflict in South Sudan explicitly allocate the position of first vice president to the SPLMIO. Under Chapter 1 of the agreement, which outlined the structure of the revitalized peace agreement or the revitalized transitional government of national unity, the first vice president is to be nominated by the SPLMIO, anchoring the position to the party rather than to an individual appointment at the discretion of the presidency. As a result of that, Dr. Machar suspension and the cabinet interim arrangement remain closely watched, since any permanent reassignment of the role outside the SPLMIO would require either a formal amendment to the peace agreement or a nomination by the party itself. The governance cluster, which Dr. Machar shares under the agreement, is a central pillar of the transitional government. It oversees reform in public administration, the rule of law, institutional restructuring, and the coordination of key peace agreement benchmark, including constitutional reform, the unification of forces, and preparation for the national election. Dr. Machar kata danan tere tijan gaja chagu je kire no gwadaman danan te gaja ko ngai kona ala position dan te na position di so take let detail that deralat but kuje mo ko chagu je kire no anta te gire tijan antama jagu jano ba gwada beje mo karara dian so che Nyandeng che latin lo bi Nyandeng bela to ba kalat so ngai kon dia no Nyandeng take already she's a vice president. Why mulat ke jeteno ne kir gore jano be SPLIO be je watch ke be ne ga dial ba watch let's just say dia je mi share report cha je link report da pa ben ngode report ben shekir ma yadit che ne ten control tela je SPLIO tin te transitional government cha jo kan dia. So when we connect these two things together, what je ke dag ma charlo kama lada me kama je Rebecca Nyandeng kala jeno jani temporarily appointment Machar Machar Brabulu Guasde Kajano Lele way Lele all the remaining SPLMIO senior official tin Contere Kumaka Katilet transitional government Lele Kala Wooch New Jano Chikume Jack already. Chikume Jack so for that reason tell away me dead Machadel Lurekeja unless you take another peace agreement ready and Machala Guru Bata Ko Tama 2018 peace agreement you collapse already and I'll tell him the thing. So Nyandeng jala Ramadan don't cha come that position a low agenda na balat ngai kon ring ma cha let ketin kon lede no bagala Nyandeng chi jala meta dara ka longa len ko staka long and unification forces ngai kon la lat but unification forces without force from Dr. Machar chebelet ko mi cha actually unification force by the way la gore de ni ramamo chi de Dr. Machar ke de ni bon dala ko ken Mahmoud Gwasket but de Machar cha ga be unified ba ko unified de kitchen so na me kel me dong ngor here right now me dong batin wan ba kayar so me jo gwana cha ne de kon te ka spela yo cha ga ju kan dia la kit me cha wo janda what do you think we remain so a kor ga ti do tan so na mo mungot mi bej ban jo jek ka report de na ban writing ka kor kona maka ko gor jano bayeno ten kon lat ko rodien brayna bala dunya Nyandeng ka tada na chala net ke jen chala je to already ala jaram dan bilen tama ka kui unification of force la mat deni nyaw jaram dan bi national election bo bi jere la preparation for national election ngai kono kuin kware ta je de la du da from cha de man to so bana raika lerodian chitka ta dan dongo kore gaje ko kuma spele mayo kana kuma kirme yadit become dan le ro de reshing dan ki what is happening right now bana jeling kan next report ban raika ko ran to ko lang nyok ban right bo ko kore kon to guardian ke ji kuma spele mayo an biya ta mal